Welcome to the Introduction to the 5S methodology. In this video, we will shortly introduce what 5S methodology is and why and how we implement it. 5S is a method of creating a self-sustaining culture which perpetuates a neat, clean, efficient workplace, a method for removing all excess materials and tools from the workplace and organizing the required items so that they are easy to find, use, and maintain. It is a collection of 5 simple rules, and at the same time, it is a tool that allows you to control the workplace visually. The effective implementation of the 5S method is the responsibility of the management and of the entire team of employees. The implementation should be carried out after prior training and making staff aware of the validity and the effectiveness of the method used. We can compare the introduction of the 5S principle to the PDCA – Plan, Do, Control, Act. The introduction of the 5S method requires the whole team's commitment. The activities to be implemented are going to serve the common good, both the employees and the company. The vision of the 5S is to make wastes visible to everybody. And it has a mission to improve efficiency and productivity by eliminating the waste of motion looking for tools, materials, or information. Its objective is to create a clean, orderly environment, an environment where there is a place for everything and everything is in its place. A clean and organized workplace will bring about benefits in terms of 0 defects, 0 complaints. Search time should be minimized to 0. Minimum stock levels, optimum energy and consumable saving, less breakdown and short stops. Now, let us move to the implementation process of 5S. As it was mentioned before, one of the most important factors are commitment, participation, and involvement of everyone, as well as strong visible support from top management. Generally, 5S activities should be carried out systematically as follows. Visit 5S model companies for continual improvement. Train everyone adequately on 5S practices. Promote 5S campaign. Plan systematic approach following the Plan, Do, Check, Act (PDCA) cycle. Practice performance measurement and reward system. Earlier, we said that the 5S methodology consists of 5 simple consecutive steps, which are sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain. The first step of 5S is about eliminating unnecessary items in the workplace. It is the series of steps which keep only what is needed, the amount needed, and when it is needed. So the aim of the sort step is to identify which items are not used based on 3 characteristics: frequency of usage, importance to production, and quantity, in order to create more ergonomic and optimal workplace. The goal of step 2 is to arrange items that are left after implementation of the first step, which was sort, so that there is ease of use and storage. Short decision-making process of applying those 2 criteria is shown on this slide. The process described in the table helps to eliminate waste in production or in clerical activities and ensure all materials, tools, and equipment have designated locations, which are easy to find. In step 3, we stress on cleanliness because we want to ensure a more comfortable and safer workplace, as well as better visibility, which reduces retrieval time and ensures higher quality work, product, or service. So the aim of the shine step is to thoroughly clean the work area. Daily follow-up cleaning is necessary to maintain a clutter-free workplace and a desirable environment. Everyone enjoys working in a clean environment, which raises morale and increases productivity. The continual implementation of the first 3 steps of 5S will ensure a high standard of workplace organization. Step 4 concentrates on standardizing best practices. The plan must include the creation of procedures and simple daily checklists, which are to be visibly displayed at every workplace. The key point in this step is to consolidate the 3S establishing standard procedures. This activity is carried out to determine the best work practices and find ways of ensuring that everyone carries out their individual activity in their workplace. Finally, the last step is sustain. It stresses on self-discipline, without which it is impossible to maintain consistent standards of quality, safety, and cleanliness. So the aim of Step 5 is to make it a habit of maintaining the momentum of the previous 4 S to ensure sustainability of the system and to make further improvement. The key point in this step is shared values. They are achieved through coaching and team participation, not shouting orders and imposing penalties. The implementation of 5S involves coaching to get the workers do the simple things right. Buying into these basic values is the essential starting point to develop a world-class organization. Thank you for watching the video. You have now finished the introductory session. Please go on to the 5S implementation videos to learn more and get a detailed understanding of the 5S methodology.